Hey, what's up guys, Rana here, and this is a quick video to show you guys how you can download WordPress paid theme for free. So there is a website that provides free stuff every single month, so I thought I should share with you, and that's why I'm making this video. So let's get started and let me show you guys where you can download WordPress paid theme for free.
If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, or you can turn on notification by clicking this notification bell icon and you won't miss my new uploads. And also you can leave a like if you've been enjoying these videos.
Alright guys, let's get started and let me show you guys how you can download WordPress paid theme for free. Go to Google and perform a Google search for theme forest and then open up this website. Perhaps you're already familiar with this website. This website is a part of Envato Market, and in this website you can have tons of WordPress theme, plugins and many more stuff related to web development. If you scroll down, you can see these are the newest arrival on this website. Again, I'm not talking about these themes, these are the paid one. I'm talking about this section right here. Envato Market provide free stuff every single month, so keep checking this website every single month. So in this month we have this WordPress theme, and let's grab this theme. I'm gonna open up this theme in a new tab. So guys, this is the theme that we are going to download. A quick reminder, if you are watching this video after a month from the publish date, this theme may not be free, but it still be there. It may cost you $59 as you can see. However, if this theme wouldn't be free after a month, then you can check out this homepage of this website. Perhaps you would get another free theme. So keep checking this website every single month in order to get free stuff. Anyways, now we have this free theme. So in order to download the theme, you need to log in. Since I already logged in, I can download the theme by clicking on this link. So I already downloaded the theme. So I'm going to go over my dashboard of WordPress, and then I'm gonna install a theme. In order to install a theme, you can go to Appearance, then click on Themes. And as you can see, I already installed a theme, so let me show you how you can install a theme. Then you can click on Add New, then click on Upload Theme. So here you can choose the file, locate the file on your computer, and then you can click on Install Now. This way you can install the theme. So guys, when you download the theme, it will be in a zip file. You need to extract it. So I'm gonna extract it, right click, extract here, and you will see another zip file. You need to extract that file as well. So I'm going to extract it, right click, extract here. So now you see this folder. Now let's open up this folder. Now let's open theme folder. So here you can see the two zip files, child theme and theme itself. If this process doesn't work for you, then in the next video I'll show you how you can install WordPress theme manually. Alright guys, that's the end of this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press that bell icon. With that, whenever I drop a new video on this channel, you will get notified. So that being said, goodbye and see you next time.